Automation, powered by artificial intelligence, is a common thread underpinning some of the biggest innovation on display at CES this year. From driverless cars to robots and drones, automation is everywhere on the show floor. Following the e-pallet concept Toyota unveiled last year, automakers came this year ready to show off their vision for the future of mobility services, from clinics on wheels to on-the-go fitting rooms, covering a wide variety of experiences. We know that once we can take our hands off the wheels of an autonomous car, it will boost media time. And this year, we saw demos by Audi and Disney, Warner Brothers and Intel, showing how we might spend that time. Neither seemed quite ready for prime time yet. Beyond cars, we saw a lot more experimentation in new types of vehicles, including a giant autonomous helicopter by Bell, a handful of underwater scooters, and a LiDAR-assisted wheelchair for navigating in tight spaces. Automation also manifested in the service sector as drones and delivery robots gain momentum. Samsung and LG both introduced service robots meant for home use, as well as for automating hospitality tasks in retail stores, restaurants, and hotels. AI-powered automation is no longer just something the auto industry needs to contend with, but a force that will transform the customer experience across industries.